See this right here? This is a $10,000 mistake, and it didn't happen overnight. What you're looking at right here is a failed valve on cylinder number 6 for this DD15. And I want to be very clear about something. This didn't just happen randomly. This is what happens when heat is not controlled inside the engine. Valves are designed to take heat, but they rely on one thing to survive. They have to fully sit against the cylinder head. That's how they transfer heat out. When that doesn't happen, whether it's from wear, improper adjustment, or the valve starting to recess, that heat stays in the valve. And once that happens, it's just a matter of time. You can see right here, the edge of the valve is starting to break down. That's not from impact damage, that's from heat. Now here's where a lot of people get this wrong. They'll say, oh, it's just a boost leak, or it's just an intake issue. Those things can contribute, but they're not the full story. What actually happens is this. You get airflow imbalance, you get higher combustion temperatures, and if that valve isn't sealing 100%, it cannot get rid of the heat. And this is the result. Cylinder 6 is usually the one we see this on the most. Rear of the engine, hottest part, any small issue shows up here first. So how do you avoid this? Number one, you have to stay on top of your maintenance. Valve adjustments are not optional on these engines. As components wear, tolerance changes. And if you're not checking that, you're setting yourself up for this exact failure. Number two, you need to be checking for boost leaks and airflow issues. A small leak might not seem like a big deal, but over time, it changes how the engine burns fuel and increase heat. Number three, don't ignore early signs. If you're noticing loss of power, longer regens, rough running, or anything out of the ordinary, that's your warning sign. By the time you feel it bad enough to bring it in, a lot of the damage is already done. This right here turns into a cylinder head replacement, and that's where that $10,000 repair comes in. You either handle it early or you pay for it later. If you're dealing with low power, airflow issues, or suspect something like this, get it checked out before it turns into a major failure. Call us at TAT Express. We specialize in Detroit, Cummins, PACCAR, and Volvo diagnostics.